Alright, good luck. Good luck. Digital Staple. Immaculate baseball box. Personal box. Good luck, man. Appreciate it. Hope it's good to you. B-dubs, I've got some of them in the store. These ones, I don't think these ones were in the store. These ones are just kind of made up a price on them pretty much. Alright, good luck. Your base card on the front, you got Anthony Rendon, 20 of 99. Oh. Good luck, man. There you go. Digital Staple. Up next, it's 20 of 99. Up next, you got premium material. Jersey. 62 of 79. Giovanni Gallardo. Brewers. One color. Looks like there used to be a stitch in there. Like they removed it or something. Kind of weird. Next up, you have Immaculate swatches to 99. 72 of 99. That's Adam Jones. Nice. Good night, Esper. Appreciate you. Have a good one. 22 of 99 Jeter. Panini Heroes. A pinstripe. Actually, is that pinstripe or patch? A little piece of something over there. Two color. Barely. 22 of 99. Jeter. Game worn. .36 of 49. Two color Longoria. Next up, you got Clubhouse signatures on card autograph of. That is Aoki. Norishika Aoki. 3 of 99 on card auto. And your last hit is RPA. Oh, right team, wrong guy. 71 of 99. That is Marcus Semien for the White Sox. Nice patch though. 71 of 99 Semien. Alright, Digital Staple, appreciate you again. You got a Marcus Semien RPA. The Aoki auto to 99. Longoria patch to 49. Got a Jeter to 99. An Adam Jones, Giovanni Gallardo, and a base Anthony Rendon. Digital Staple, appreciate it again, man.